Yo, what up? It's your boy Unicorn Rider from Trap House Detail, and today we are going to be doing a review on 3D's Acid Mag Wire Wheel Cleaner. It's a wheel cleaner that I use regularly on cars. I consider it a no scrub cleaner, so you do not usually have to scrub the wheels, and if you do have to scrub the wheels, well, 3D also offers different products that I also use to do that. But today we're going to focus on Acid Mag Wire Wheel Cleaner, and we're going to be working on these Hellcat wheels. This Hellcat went to a trip from Los Angeles to Vegas and back, so it's caked on with brake dust, and it just doesn't look all too good. So we're going to show you how to work the product, and then we're going to show you the final result. So let's take you into the actual product. All right, so now we're back. We're looking at the Acid Mag Wheel Cleaner from 3D. I already have it mixed in this bottle. Now this right here is distilled water. This is what I use to mix all my chemicals, and the reason you want to use distilled water is because it will not leave any hard water spots or anything like that with any of the other chemicals that you mix it with. The dilution ratio for this that I recommend is 1:4, which is 32 ounces of acid wheel cleaner and the rest water. So that would be a 1:4 dilution ratio. It's also very important that you use some sort of mask or respirator. You don't really want to breathe this stuff in, and always use the gloves. Remember, no glove, no love. All right. So the wheels on this Hellcat, I believe, are from Verde Wheels. They actually have I believe it's a glossy black finish. I wash this car so many times and I always forget that it is a glossy black finish. But as you can see, they are caked on with brake dust from his road trip. Also, you can also see right here that the calipers aren't looking all too good right now. They're a bit dirty. But before we start this, I would like to say that with any wheel product, it's a good idea to clean the wheels just with soap and water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna foam the car, I'm gonna foam the wheels, and I'm gonna let the foam break down some of this brake dust and contaminants, and then we're gonna wash it off, and then we're gonna use the wheel cleaner. I recommend doing this whenever you wash your car, because it helps the chemical work a little bit better, and it also cools down the wheel. You don't want to spray any of these chemicals on a hot wheel because you do run into a possible chance of it etching into the finish. So now we're going to start the wash process of the Hellcat, and then we're going to bring you in and show you how the wheel cleaner works. Let's go. You can see all that is grime that the soap is doing on its own. It's breaking all that down and it's carrying it with it. So that'll definitely help the wheel cleaner, any wheel cleaner that you use, honestly, before you actually either do a wheel service or a no scrub type of deal like we're doing today. So look at all that filth. Let's see it. All right. All right, so the soap did a majority of the work, but I can still see there's some places where there's still brake dust. So we're gonna take first our yellow degreaser from 3D, and we're gonna hit the wheels and the wheel well, and then we're gonna spray the wheel acid around the wheels. Another very important thing is don't spray this on anything that's bare metal. It's really meant for wheels that are chrome, wire wheels like Daytonas, and painted wheels. You can definitely mess up a wheel if you don't stick to the dilution ratio, and you can definitely jack up a wheel if you use it full strength. Don't do that. So let me show you how we do this real quick. right, we're gonna let that sit for about 30 seconds, and then we're gonna rinse it off. All right, let's rinse it off. Looks pretty clean to me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish washing the car. We're gonna dry it up, and then we're gonna bring you in for the final result. Like I said, this is what I use when I wash my clients' cars. It makes it easy to maintain the wheels and really get them clean, even gets the calipers clean. So let's wash this whole car. Let's finish it up, finish up the video, and let's go home. And we're back. We finished the Hellcat. The Hellcat is done. Just as a reminder, I want you guys to remember that when you're using the 3D wheel acid, make sure you follow the dilution ratios to a T. It'll keep you safe, it'll keep you from damaging rims, and it'll make your job a lot easier. If you want to know where to get 3D wheel acid, you can buy it on most auto detail websites, but if you're in Los Angeles, please stop by and check out 3D Downtown LA. They have the full range of 3D products, so you can check them out over there. Also, I'm not sponsored by them or sponsored by anybody, so this is things that I personally buy to do on customers' cars. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like, share. Don't like, don't share, I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna leave you with some cinematics. All right, peace.